So again, here in the Windows computer, I'm going to show you how to download and install the R program. So R program, pretty much like Python, is a free program. It's a community collaboration open source program, and you can use it for statistics, for plotting, many other applications. In theory, you can do remote GIS or work with data from remote sensing. You can do. It's not very well suited for numerical simulations, but in theory you could do. Python is a better option for numerical simulations, but for statistics, analysis of variance, plotting, and simple statistics, even geostatistics is a very good option. So here I'm running in Windows again. I'm just going to go for the CRAN R project, and I'm going to download R version 4.1.2 for Windows. Save it here. Once it is saved, I'm going to go to the downloads folder, and I'm going to execute the file. You can download it anywhere you want. It's just simple because most computers, if you didn't change anything, it automatically downloads to the downloads folder. Okay, just use the default, simpler. I'm just going to use the 64-bit because this computer is 64-bit. There's no need to install the 32-bit version. Accept defaults is the simpler. Next. Click finish. That's it. You should have R installed in your. Let's type R here. See if it's here. Let's go to programs. So here is recently added. You could alternatively, you can go to programs, just click here. One of the advantages is that R in Windows, you already have this graphical user interface. It's pretty similar to the integrated development and learning environment, the idle that I showed you for Python in the other version. So there's not much here. It's similar to what you saw there. You input your code here, and then you're gonna have a window here, other windows that can appear for graphs and for running the procedures. So for example, let's say A is 2. I can use the attribution operator either as equal or as this arrow here. So it's equal to this here. So I store the variable A equals 2. This is the output. I'm gonna set B is 2, and I'm gonna put C attributed A plus B, and I'm gonna call C here. So it's gonna be okay. So let's say I want to plot. I can use the plot commands, or I can use there's the library ggplot. There's a lot of libraries, interesting libraries for plotting, for data analysis. So let's say I'm gonna plot C, call this here. A new window will appear with the output of the procedure. Similar here, I can ask for the mean of A, B, and C. It's 2. Or I can say that X attribute the mean of A, B, and C. And I call X. That's it. So it's pretty simple at first. You need to get used to the syntax and how to run and how to execute the files. I can also create the script here, new script, and I can save this file here. As, for example, example dot R, and I'll put my code here. Now come here, right click here and execute it. So for example, I could just close this window here. Not gonna save. Oops. Let's try this again. I'm gonna just open my script here, similar to what I did on Python. So example.r. This is the console. I can write the code here, or this could be the output for the script. So the script, you could write it in any notepad or any texting program, not like sophisticated like Microsoft Word or nothing like that, but simple like Notepad or Notepad++, something like that. So let's say A equals 2, B equals 3. So this is my script. C equals A plus B. I'm going to put a comment here, which is not going to appear on the output, the value of C and C. So I'm going to run the script. So I forgot that you have to select everything, or you have to select only what you want to run. So Control R, and then you can organize your windows like this. So you have a coding window here where you have your script, and you can have a output window here, which would be the console. And the same thing I showed before. I could write commands to plot here using the script. So let's say plot C. Let's run this fragment of code, Control R. This is the plot for C. So you can use other libraries. There's a lot of libraries that are from the community, so they're programmed by other people, and you can install here as libraries. So I ended up installing here in Portuguese because I didn't check for the option in English, but you have here libraries, edit file. So you go to load libraries or install libraries. So you can install libraries from here. When you click that button, you're going to send you to a mirror, so you can choose a mirror to download. So it doesn't really matter for most of the time. So I choose this mirror here. Takes a little bit, but it should take you to this window here where you have all the packages. You click then in the file on the package or library which you want to use. Let's put this one here, extra, okay. This might take a while, but after that your library is installed, and you have to call the library before you run your code. So it's pretty simple. You just put a command like library and in parentheses the name of the library that you wish to run.